Tech Teaching Tips, helping teachers find the best technology resources without breaking the bank or wasting time. All right, so here's another Tech Teaching Tips tutorial. I am going to show you a few more settings inside Zoom. This time we're going to focus on waiting room notifications as well as breakout rooms. So you log into your Zoom portal here, the internet portal, and I want you to click on Settings. And then we're going to scroll down here until we find the notifications. It's right in Meeting Basic. And then we're going to go down here to sound notification when someone joins or leaves. If you don't want that sound when someone comes into your room for a meeting or they join the waiting room, you can turn that off. However, I have found that when I'm teaching and students come in late, or maybe they had an appointment and they have to come back at a later time, or maybe they simply just get kicked off. If that notification sound isn't on, then they might be sitting in the waiting room for a while, and then they end up missing a lot more than what they really need to be missing. So I always turn that on, and it dings for me like a doorbell every time somebody comes into the waiting room, and then I can go ahead and let them in. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a Zoom meeting. So here we are. I've dialed in, and as you can see, I've dialed in on another device. And right now I have the camera off just for demonstration purposes. I dialed in on my phone, but this will work for anything. So you go down here to Breakout Rooms, click on Breakout Rooms. And if you have created breakout rooms before, this will pop up. If you have not, you'll probably get this little box right here. Okay, and you can assign however many rooms you want to divide kids evenly, and then you can set it to automatically divide participants, and then you just hit recreate all rooms. Now for this example, I've only got one device in there. So what you do is open all rooms, and it'll move everybody to all those rooms. But before you do that, I want you to hit Options. And what I've found come in handy, especially with younger grades or people that just maybe aren't as tech savvy, is you check this Move All Participants into Breakout Rooms automatically. That means when you create these rooms, they go automatically in there. They don't have to click on anything. It just moves them in. You can allow participants to return to the main session at any time. It depends on the age level that you're teaching or the grade level you're teaching. I leave mine checked because I hang out in the regular room. And if somebody needs help, they pop right back in. And then I set my time session here. Breakout rooms close automatically after a certain amount of time. Sometimes we're just doing a 5-minute or 10-minute activity. And I put that in there, and it'll close it down automatically. The last thing you want to do here is go to the countdown after closing breakout room. You can have this be a minute, up to 2 minutes. I leave mine at 15 seconds, just because I feel like that's a lot less time than is needed, especially since it brings them back into the main room automatically. You do want to let people know that they don't need to click on the leave meeting portion on the other end. So once you do that, then you just hit open all rooms. And as you can see, it has put my other device in a room automatically. I have not had to accept anything. I haven't had to leave the meeting. And then I can go here and I can broadcast a message to all the rooms. Keep working hard. It'll send that message to every room. Now, if I want to close these rooms early, all I do is hit close rooms, and it will start the countdown for 15 seconds. And on my device, it'll give me a countdown, and I can either hit leave now or I can cancel that. I always just tell my students to just wait the 15 seconds. It'll bring them back into the main room automatically, just like that. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below.